Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to clear a chat in WhatsApp Web. Clearing a chat can help declutter your conversations and free up space on your device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer. Step 2. Open the desired chat that you want to clear. Step 3. Click on the 3 dots located in the top right corner of the chat window. Step 4. From the menu that appears, select Clear Chat. Step 5. A confirmation message will pop up. Press Clear Chat to proceed. Step 6. If you want to keep any starred messages, simply check the box next to them. By following these 6 simple steps, you have successfully cleared a chat in WhatsApp Web. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of clearing a chat in WhatsApp Web. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.